Hello everyone and welcome to this question. This is a question which is on indices and it's suitable for GCSE and A-level of all boards. Now, this is the last question actually on an IGCSE paper, and you can see they're really pushing the boat out, really tricky. We've got that expression there and it says express x in terms of n, showing you're working clearly and simplifying your expression. Now, the key to understanding this question is on the right hand side, you can see that we've got 3 to the power of x. So the goal is to get everything from the left hand side and express it as a power of 3. Okay, so let's just write that down. That is 4n add 6 all over 6 times by 9 to the 2n add 8. Okay, so we're going to endeavour to take this whole thing and write it down in terms of powers of 3. So let's just deal with all the different elements. So the 18. So 18 can be thought of as being 2 times 9, which in turn is 2 times by 3 squared. So that's fine. We've dealt with that 18. That can be thought of as 2 times 3 squared. Let's deal with the root 27 to the power of 4n add 6. Well, first of all, I would say that 27 is a cube number. It is 3 cubed, which is super helpful to us. And we have a square root is the same as to the power of a half. Okay, so just dealing with this bit inside, that is the same as 3 to the power of 3 over 2. Because remember, when we have a to the n to the m, that is the same as a to the n times m, using a law of indices there. So this little bit in here, the root 27, can be thought of as 3 cubed to the power of a half, which in turn is 3 to the power of 3 over 2. Now, in this particular question, we've got the 3 to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 4n add 6. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So we've now got to multiply that whole thing out. So we're going to say this is 3 to the power of 3 over 2 times by 4n add 6. And that is going to be 6n add 9. When we multiply that out, that becomes 6n add 9 there in that denominator, in the numerator rather. Okay, so that's 6n add 9. Okay, so that's that one dealt with. That was tricky. Now we've got the 6 to deal with. That's nice. That's just 2 times 3. Perfect. Dealt with that one. And then we've got the 9 to the 2n add 8. So 9 to the 2n add 8 can be thought of as 3 squared to the power of 2n add 8. And again, using this law of indices, that is going to go to 3 to the 4n add 16. So that is going to go to 3 to the 4n add 16. Okay, so we've now broken down all of our various elements and expressed them as powers of 3. So let me just rewrite our expression. So we've got, just going to, in the interest of clarity, write down what we originally had. So we've got 18 times by the square root of 27 to the 4n add 6 all over 6 times by 9 to the 2n add 8. And now we've just basically said that the 18 we said can be written as 2 times 3 squared. We said that the 27 to the root 27 to the 4n add 6 we said was the same as 3 to the 6n add 9. The denominator here, we said that the 6 was just 2 times 3. That was nice. And the 9 to the power of 2n add 8 we said was the same as 3 to the 4n add 16 times by 3 to the 4n add 16. Okay, right, let's see what we're going to do now. So we can cancel out those 2's. That's kind of nice. And I think we should just deal with the numerator and then let's think about the denominator. So having got to this stage here, let us now think about the numerator. So our numerator now is going to be 3 squared times by 3 to the 6n add 9. So that is going to be 3 times by 6n add 9 add 2. Okay, so that is going to be absolutely fine. That's fine. So that goes to 3 to the power of 6n add 11. Let's think about the denominator. That is going to be 3 to the power of 4n add 16 times by 3, which is going to be add 1. Okay, so that denominator is going to go to 3 to the 4n add 17. So we've got 3 to the 6n add 11 over 3 to the 4n add 17. Okay, so when we simplify this, we're going to end up with, this is the same as 3 to the 6n add 11 minus, open brackets, 4n add 17. Because remember, when you divide powers, you take them away from each other, which now gives us 3 to the 2n, and we're going to have add 11, take away 17, which is actually going to be minus 6. So there we go, 2n minus 6. And that is all equal to 3 to the power of x. Now, it says express x in terms of n. So x is therefore equal to 2n minus 6. And that is that very difficult grade 9 third question broken down. I hope that you found that useful, and I will see you in the next video.